iPhone stores some of your most personal information like your photos, messages, location, and even payment details. And if the wrong settings are turned on, your phone could be sharing more data than you even realize. So hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist. In this video, I am going to show you which privacy settings to change, where to find them, and why they actually matters. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. This is where most of the important privacy controls on your iPhone are located. Now turn off analytics and improvements. The reason you want to change this is because these settings allows your iPhone to send usage data and device information to Apple and developers. If you want less data sharing and a little extra battery savings, tap into it and turn those options off. Once you are done, tap back to return to privacy and security. Moving on to the next one, turn off personalized ads. Open Apple advertising. You should change this because personalized ads use your activity to target you with marketing. If you want better privacy and less tracking for ads, turn personalized ads off. Then tap back again to go back to privacy and security. Another one is review location services. So tap location services. This matters because a lot of apps request your location even when they don't really need it. Go through the app list and only keep location access on for apps that truly need it, like maps or emergency related features. Then scroll down and tap system services. Inside system services, tap significant locations. The reason to change this is because your iPhone can store places you visit often, and a lot of people don't even know that's happening. Clear that history, then tap back to system services, back again to location services, and back one more time to privacy and security. Next, turn off app tracking. Now tap on tracking. You should disable this because app tracking mostly benefits advertisers and developers, not you. Turn off allow apps to request to track, and if any apps below it are still enabled, switch those off too. Then tap back again. Now disable control center on lock screen. Go back to the main setting page, then open Face ID and passcode. This one is very important because if your iPhone gets lost or stolen, someone could access the control center from the lock screen and change important settings. So under allow access when logged, turn off control center. Another one is turn on Safari privacy settings. Now go back to the main setting page and open or search for Safari. You should change these settings because your browsing activity can be tracked across websites. In the privacy and security section, turn on prevent cross-site tracking and hide IP address to reduce online tracking and protect your browsing identity. Another one is enable Wi-Fi privacy settings. Now go back again and tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap the info icon next to your connected network. These settings matters because they help make you harder to identify while you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now turn on private Wi-Fi address and limit IP address tracking for extra privacy on that network. Next is turn on advanced data protection. Finally, go back to the main setting page, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then go to iCloud and look for advanced data protection. This is one of the most important privacy settings because it adds stronger end-to-end encryption, which helps protect your data so even Apple cannot easily access it. Turn it on if it's available. And that is it. If you change these settings, your iPhone will be a lot more private, a lot more secure, and much better protected against unnecessary tracking. Because here at Get Assist, your privacy matters, and we are here to help you keep your iPhone safe, secure, and fully under your control. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.